This is with respect to section C of, okay. In the section C, they will give you 3 questions, okay. They will give you 3 questions. First one will be for 10 marks. Second one will be, here I will write, first one will be for 10 marks, 10 into 1. The next 2 questions will be 15 into 2. It will be for how many? 30. The section C consists of how many marks? 40 marks, okay. Most importantly, what we have to see, taxation is a paper where we have to be very particular about the dates, okay. Dates are very important. It makes a lot of influence on that, okay. Now, what you are doing, they are talking about a thing, is it right? You should assume today as what? As 15th of Feb 2022. This is very important. This is the moment they say you have to think on that. Based on that, your assessments will be changed, your rules will change. Subsequently, whether it is taxable, it is not taxable, everything will be taken into consideration. Okay. Now, coming back to that, first the rule, make it a rule. See, these are all the techniques. First, make it a point what they are asking us. Okay, what is the requirements? The requirement is they were talking about. First, you any question, make it a blanket rule. That first you do you read the requirements. Based on the requirements, the first 15 minutes we can understand what they are asking us. State one advantage and one disadvantage of the employee if their employer payrolls the taxable benefits provided to the employee. Means if for an employee, if the employer is going to payroll the tax, if any taxable benefits are there for the that is going to be on behalf of the employer, then what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages? When they are asking us one, we have to be very specific to one only. Even you know more than one, you should not write. Okay. That's very important. Calculate how much more income tax Jason have to pay for the tax year. Which tax year? 2022, 22, 23. If he takes up the offer of employment with subsequent PLC rather than remaining with the initial PLC. Means how much you have to pay additional tax if you are going to work, if you are taking a new employment. Between this we can understand what is the requirement. He is working with one of the employer. He is going to move to another job. If he is going to move another job, definitely there will be a difference in the income, and we have to calculate on the what is the difference in income and how much you have to pay the tax. Your answer should be based on the separate calculation for the Jason's employment for the tax year under each employment alternative. Means you have to calculate for initial PLC as well as for the subsequent PLC. You should indicate by the use of 0 any item. This is very important because even for this there will be marks. Understand point? Even for this there will be marks. That's why
it's like marks.
Pardon?
Yeah. Half mark, no?
Yeah, exactly. It will be for half mark, 1 mark, but they will be marked. Which means that's what it's now. Which one is taxable, which is not taxable. You should have a clarity in our understanding. Which are not taxable or deductible. You are not required to calculate national income insurance. Very clearly they say NIC. This is the first one, is it? This is the part A, this is the part B, and this is the part C. If Jason decides to resign as an employee of initial PLC on when 14th March, briefly explain the main content and purpose of PAYE. Is it right? Pay as you earn. Okay? Pay as you earn. Is it right? Now we have to make. Now you just, are you clear about this? Now what we have to do, we have to just read the thing. Jason is currently employed by Initial PLC sales manager. He is considering, okay, resigning on 14th April, and taking up an offer of employment with these are two different companies, is it right? One is your subsequent PLC and one is your Initial PLC, which will commence on 15th March 2022. If employed by subsequent PLC, Jason will receive a higher basic salary and more benefits if he compared to remains with the Initial PLC. However, Jason wants to know how much income tax he has to pay for the year for the assessment year 2023 to 23. Should he take up the new offer for employment? Fine. Now, they are asking us what? They say that you have to calculate tax for the Initial PLC as well as you have to calculate tax for the subsequent PLC. Is it okay? Now, first, yes.
Yes, clear, sir.
Now, what they are asking us, see, answers are there in the ebook, but even after that, I am going to explain on here. Okay, I will explain here what is needed. What is the one advantage, and what are the disadvantages? Okay, when you are talking about the employee, is that where? When we are talking about what they are asking us, if their employer payroll, if for an employee, if the employer payrolls the taxable benefits provided to the employee. Actually, if you are taking into the consideration, there is no need, is it right? There is no need to declare any benefits of the employee. Is it right? There is no need. Is it? I'm just writing in brief. Is it right? Very brief. No need to declare. There's nothing is there we have to declare what are the in our self-assessments. Is it right? In our self, because that has to be taken care of at a later stage. This is one of the things. Now, when we are talking about the thing, is it? This is the one. What is the disadvantage? Is it? You refer the ebook. It will be there in detail. Okay, just I am writing very briefly. Now, what is the disadvantage? Whenever he is moving from one job to another job, is it? When he is moving from one job and he is not certain, he may resign. He is saying that. What the rule says that as if there is any uncertainty over the things that is going to happen, then we can use the concept of pay as you earn. Is it right?
Yeah, clear.
Is it? Pay as you earn. That is the thing. Is it? There is no hard and fast rule that we have to do it. Is it? This is where we have to work it out. This is the one. Next one. What they are asking us? They are asking us what is the initial. First we will calculate. Is it? First we will calculate the initial PLC. Just an employment income. (2022-23). So rules are very simple. Once you are doing rule here, once you are doing the thing, rules will never change. Okay, you have taken the printout of the rules which have been sent earlier. Now, what it says, are you here? Is it clear for you?
Sorry, Mr. Labib. I lost the connection for seconds. Okay.
Is it clear for you now?
Yeah, it's clear.
Now, what Jason remains employed by initial PLC rather than taking up an offer of employment with subsequent. Yeah. How,
I think we do the calculation, no, to compare.
pardon?
We should do the two calculations, right, to compare
Yes.
the amount.
Yes. First we will do for initial PLC, then we will do for a subsequent PLC. Okay? Any
Yeah,
doubt?
yeah.
Anywhere? Just you stop me. I'm here too. He wants to remain employed by initial PLC rather than taking up employment with sub. He will be paid a gross salary of how much? 180
Okay.
during the tax year. Now put it as a salary. So that salaries will be how much? Salary will be 180.
180.
Now, what you see the thing. Jason will contribute. This is when they say it is a Jason will contribute. It is 8,000 initial PLC occupation. Who is the employee contribution? See, employee contribution is different treatment. Employer contribution is different treatment. Understand what? That's why employee contribution is deductible.
Employer is deductible.
Employee.
Employee is deductible always.
Yes. Employee pension contribution. If we take into consideration, if you have the rules, is it right? If your pension scheme benefits will be there, is it right? How much it is he is contributing? He is contributing 8,000.
But they didn't mention here gross or not gross. So I think this is gross maybe.
They have not mentioned anything. Is it? Will contribute a total.
Okay.
Is it right?
So we take it as you mean, no?
Yes.
Okay.
They have taken it as a total. How much they say it is? A total of 8,000. Is it right? 8,000. It has been given. If you take the rules in the pension scheme, limits will be there. Annual allowance will be there. Minimum allowances will be there. Threshold limit will be there. Is it right? On the page number 6, which I have sent you in the income. Is it right? How much is here? It is 8,000. Fine. Now, how much it will come? It will come to 172. Fine. It comes to how much?
Yeah.
Now, what happened? They are talking about two. This is over, this is over. In addition to this salary, Jasons expect to be paid the following bonuses by the initial PLC. Now, how much is having bonuses? See the thing. They are talking about 22,000 and 24,000. Is it right? This is for the year which one? We are doing assessments for 2022 and 23.
Yeah.
Is that we are doing assessments for 2022 and 2023. Now, when you are doing the assessments as 2022 and 23, they have a bonus of 22,000. Is it right? This has been date of payment is how much? See, bonus is paid once the financial year is completed. Fine. This what we have to see. Date of entitlement is 15th March. In respect of the year when? In respect of the year is 31st January. Means this bonus is for which year? 2021 and 22.
The previous year.
Yes. Is it right? This is for 2021 and 20. And this bonus is for which year? 2022 and 23.
Clear.
Fine. See, small points. Okay. Now you understand. Is it? Now, what we have to take into consideration bonus. Is it right? Bonus as on 15th March. Is it right? That is not 15th March March 2022 will be how much we have to take?
24,000.
2022. This is what we are talking. 15th March 2022. How much is there?
Will 22,000?
It is pertaining to this year?
No, but I think we should take the other one.
Yes.
As it is.
This is pertaining to the previous year. Okay. This is pertaining to, I will write here for your understanding. This is related. Is it right? This is related to 2021 and 22. Fine. That is the reason we are not taking. Okay. Next. Coming back to this. How much is the bonus is there for bonus with respect to 15th March? Is it right? 15th March 2023. How much is the bonus? Bonus is, it comes to how much? 24,000. This we have to add. Is it related?
Yeah.
Related to current assessment year.
We have to write. Okay, this is for my.
Now this is
understanding,
for
no?
your understanding. Okay.
Okay.
This is for your understanding. Current related to current assessment. Tomorrow you should not. The moment you are revising it, you should not have any doubt on that. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Related to current assessment. Is it okay? Now, throughout the tax year, the session will provide free meals in initial staff canteen. The total cost of these meals to the employees will be how much? 1440. Free meals in the staff canteen are available to all employees. If, see, these rules are not there. I checked with that. It is not there. Actually, it is there in the text. Is it right? If anything is offering to all employees, that is going to have the tax deductible. Understand? That's we have to mention. This is to all initial PLC employees.
But it's deductible.
Not taxable. Why it is taxable? If it is given specifically to one employee, then it is taxable. But it's giving to everyone. Is that everyone is entitled to this policy, and there is a limit. Okay, it is not. I try to. There is a limit that this much amount we can have on daily basis. Is it? Now,
Yeah.
if it is for free meals, you have to write. Okay, staff canteen. Is it a staff canteen meals? Is it a exempted? You have to mention 0. Okay, you have to mention 0.
Yeah.
Now you're understanding. Writing 0 is also have the marks for that. How much is the total? Total is 6, 7 plus 2, 9, 196. Check again.
It's how much is this? Okay, plus I did minus. Yeah. Correct, sir.
Fine. Are you clear
Yeah.
about this?
Yeah, clear.
Next. Coming to the subsequent PLs. My handwriting is not good as you think, but I will use different colors
It's
to.
clear, sir.
But I will make it too. Okay. Now, how much is the? Again, you check it. Okay. Again, you check it. What is happening? If Jason takes up offer of employment with subsequent PLC, then he will get a gross annual salary of how much? 2005 for the tax year. For the tax year, how much salary? It comes to 2005. Now, one by one. Subsequent PLC will contribute how much? Subsequent PLC will contribute a total of 9,000 into company's occupational pension scheme on Jason's behalf.
So it is 0?
It is 0. Who is contributing? The employer is contributing.
Employer.
Is it right? The employer. Here you have to mention employer.
Okay.
Employer pension contribution. Employer pension contribution is how much? 0. It's not a half mark, it is almost 1 mark. It is the rule. This is the law. That's why it is that much important. They have made, and whether they mention or they don't mention, make it a point that you have to write like that. Now, throughout the tax year, they have provided a hybrid electric car. This is the new rules, is right? Hybrid car, electric cars. Now you have this concept. Previously, it was not there. It was only petrol car or diesel car is there. Now you have that hybrid car is also there. Electric cars are there. Which has been a price list of how much? Which has been a price list of 62,500. They have a carbon emission is at 25 grams. They will give you rules. Is that these rules will be part of the question paper. It has an electric range of how many miles? 25 miles. JSM will not provide it with any fuel for private journeys. Is that right? What you have to do? You have to take. If you see, you keep your rules in front of you. Okay, you keep your rules in front of you. How much is the less than 30 miles? How much is the less than 30 miles? Less than 30 miles. It is how much they say it is only at 25 miles. That means it is less than 30 miles. Less than 30 miles it is 14%. Okay? Less than 13 miles is 14%. Add car benefit. Is that less than 25 miles? It is how much? It is 14%. Immediately you cross check the rules whenever I am giving you a reference. Okay, every rule is not there, some rules are not there, but I will tell you, don't get confused on that. Okay, how much is there? They are not providing 62,500. It's like 62,500 into 14%. How much you will get?
Into 14?
14 by 100.
It's 8,750.
How much?
8,750.
8,750. We have to be very clear, okay? See, these are the simple scoring points. That's very important. Very simple scoring points. See, they will not give you the marks for the total. They will give you marks for the stepwise. If steps are correct, automatically you will get marks. Don't worry about the answer, okay? Next. What is there from April 6th to 31st July? They will provide adjacent with a living accommodation. April to May, May to June, June to July. Is it right? April, May, June, July. April, May, June, July. How many months?
4 months.
4 months. How much is the living accommodation? 140,000. The property is valued or how much? The property is valued at 285. Improvements is 700. And during the annual value, they mention very clearly. Annual value is how much? Annual value is 4,800. Is it right? Annual value is how much? They are providing you accommodation. Is it right? They are providing you accommodation.
Yeah.
Add living accommodation. Is it right? For 4 months only. Okay? For 4 months only. 4,800. Is it right? 4,800 times 4 divided by 12. It comes to how much?
It's 1,000 something, or maybe I calculated one minute, sir. 1,600.
1,600.
Mr. Labib, can you repeat this one?
See, they have provided. See, there are two things are there. Is it right? There are two things
Yeah.
are there. Subsequent will provide Jason with a living accommodation. What is the property purchased by the company is 140. The property valued is how much? 285. Is that the property valued is
Yeah.
285? Means
This 140.
okay,
Yeah.
this is also,
Okay.
it is also benefit. We are dividing the things under two segments. Okay, we are dividing
Okay.
the things under two segments. From here till here, one, and the second one is here. The annual rent is how much? We have taken the annual rent. Is it right? How much we have taken the annual rent? 480,000. Now, what is the, how much it is going to make the difference? Again, they are providing us how much? The property value is how much? 285. Is it right? 285. There is a limit is there. 75,000 limit is there for deduction. Okay. Yeah. I will tell you where it is required. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
are you clear about this?
Yeah, clear so
Next,
far.
add. Is it right? Additional benefits. Living accommodation. Is it additional benefit? How much is the additional benefit? What is the market value they have mentioned? The mark value is how much? See, I'm writing it with a different ink, okay, with a different marker asset. Okay.
Yeah.
This is, if you are writing like this is a working. Okay. Now, how much is the value? Value is a value on 6th is how much? Value on 6th is 285. Is it right? 285. Now, they have mentioned improvements costing 17,000. Improvement costing 17,000 is not going to add the value of the asset. Is it right? But if even it is not going to, we have to mention. We should not take the amount of improvement that has been taken into consideration. Is it? Means improvements are not part of the assessment. How much is there? We have to mention 0. Is it? Next.
Yeah.
How much benefit we can take the exemption on this amount? The maximum is 75,000. Okay, limit. This
Yeah.
is there in the rules. Is it right? I will write here somewhere. Okay, this is the part of the exemption limit. How much is there? 75,000. It comes to how much? It comes to how much?
285. Yeah, it's clear. Correct.
Yeah. Now,
Yeah.
this is the total benefit for 1 year. Okay, this is the total benefit for 1 year. We have to take into consideration the benefit for how much? The benefit for 2 months. Oh, sorry, benefit for 4 months. Understand, man? Benefit for
Yeah.
4 months at the rate of 2%. Understand, man? We have to take the, we have to take, what we have to means 210 times 210 times at the rate of how much? At the rate of 2% for how many months? For 4 months. Very, very carefully.
It's 1,400.
1,400. Fine. Next, that much is there. Okay, that much you have. See, now you can see point number 4. It is all related to which one? It is all related to. I will give me a point. Is it right? It is all related to. It is all related to point number point 4. I will send you the PDF file once class is over. Okay.
Okay.
I am recording
This
also.
Recorded, no?
Huh?
This will be. Is it recorded? Are
Yeah.
you recording?
Yeah, I am
class?
recording also.
Okay.
Now, fine. What is the next one? One by one. That's all. You just may have on August 1st, 2022, subsequent PLC provided with the interest-free loan of how much? 14,140 to him to purchase a main residence. No loan repayments will be made before 2023. Is it right? No. Now, where possible, PLC will payroll the tax will provided to Jason so that the related income tax will be collected. Fine, okay, fine. Jason will not have any other income for this one. How much? How much they are giving the loan? They are giving a loan of how much? They are giving a loan for 140,000. Is it right? For now, you see the thing. This is when it is on August, August 21st, 2022. Is it right? August 1st, 2022 till 5th April. How many months will be there? Calculate very fast.
8 months.
8
I guess 8.
8 months.
Yeah.
Is it right? How many months are there? It will be 8 months. At the rate of how much you are getting, and you are getting a benefit of how much? 2%. Now, what we have to write? We have
Interest.
beneficial loan. Is it right? Beneficial loan. How much is there? 140 times 2% times 8 by 12. How much you'll get?
Oh my God. 1 minute. It's. I think I'm getting this wrong. 1 minute, Mr.
Take your
Labib.
time. Take your time.
It's 14. It's 140,000.
140,000 times 2 by 100.
Okay. Times 8 by 12, right?
Yes.
8. Yeah, it's 1,866 or 67.
1867.
I doubt it. I got the same before.
Don't worry about that. It happens, okay? It happens. Nothing is. Now you total it, how much you'll get. These are the 5 points, okay? These are the 5 points we have to be very clear. See, I will write for your understanding also. Is it? I will write for you. This is point number 1, okay? This is point number 2. This is point number 3. This is point number 4, and this is point number 5. Okay? Now,
Okay.
how much is the total you will get?
Mr. Labib, the living accommodation, how much was it? Where is it?
Living 1,600.
Okay. It's 218, 617.
218, 617.
Yeah.
This is the employment income. What is the additional tax you have to pay? In both the cases, the amount is exceeding. What is the income tax basic rate is 1. You should make it a point, okay? What is the
Yeah.
what it has to be. You should not refer the table also. From 1 to 37 700, how much? It is 20%, okay? And from 37 701 till 150,000, it is how much? It is 30%. Is it? Sorry, it is how much? It is 40%. Is it right? And additional rate is how much? Additional rate is 45%.
Okay.
Is it? This automatically, the moment you practice, automatically it will get. Okay. Now, how much is the amount? What they are asking us? What is the additional income tax you have to pay? Is it right? How much is the employment income? Write down here. Employment income. How much is there? This is subsequent PLC. Is it right? Subsequent PLC. 218617. Is that minus employment income? Initial PLC.
196,000.
How much is there? 196,000. 196,000. Is that what is the difference? Is how much?
22,617.
22,617. Okay.
Yeah.
22,617. 22,617. Is it right? Write down very clearly. Is it right? How much is the taxable amount? Taxable amount is 22,617, 45%. It comes to
it's 10,000. No. 22, 600. Sorry, 22,617. Yeah, 10,177, 78. 10,178.
Are you clear about this?
Yeah, clear.
This is for 11 marks. Okay. This is for 11 marks almost.
Mr. Labib, in this question, we don't have to use the personal allowance, and we mention a 0.
They didn't ask anything now.
Sorry?
They didn't ask anything now. You should what they say, calculate how much income tax Jason has to pay for tax year if he takes the offer of employment. Is it right? Next? Yeah, what you are asking?
The personal allowance. We don't use it in this question, right?
We don't need it in this question.
Because we don't even write as 0? No need?
No need.
Okay. Clear.
Is it right?
Yeah.
Next. Fine. This. Now, this is over. Okay? This we have done. Jason decides to resign as an employee of Initial PLC on 14 March. Briefly explain the main content and purpose of what is the pay. What is the what is the significance of payee form? Understand, right? What is the significance of payee form? Is it what why pay? What it says? Payee form shows, is it? Pay, what is the pay? Pay as you earn, is it right? Pay you as you earn. Payee form, is it right? Shows what is the income, is it right? Income till 14th March. Is it? Income with 14th March only. With tax code. Okay, with tax code. That's all. That is the significance of pay. Okay, that is the significance. Pay means as you earn, automatically you have to show. If you are not earning, you are not going to show. They say that Jason decides to resign as an employee of 14th March. That's all. They are not talking about what happens subsequently. They are not talking about the thing. They are saying that if he resigns, you have to show the income till that date. That's all. That is the importance of pay form 40.
So it just shows the income until the day 14. That's it.
Till the date of earning. Is it right? They say it is form 45. Is it right? It is form P45.
Tax code. Okay.
Yes. Now, what have see when you are joining a new job? Understand, when you are working now till 14th March, and you are going to join another job from 15th of March, then you have to submit your income, your details about what you have earned previously. Is it? You have to submit it. Is it? Just give a copy of the form. You have to submit a copy of the form. Is it? So the whom you have to give to the new employer, subsequent PLC. See that? So for why you are giving this copy to for the subsequent year, is it for the remaining year? Is it right? For the subsequent year or the remaining year, whatever the calculations will be there to complete the tax calculations. Are you clear about this?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah. Now you see the things. The concept is very simple. You should understand first. That is the reason. First you organize yourself. How you have to do it. Once you are organizing, divide the things. Divide it into smaller parts. Each and every part. And don't get panic that yes, my answer is right or wrong. Is it? If they will give you marks only on base of your steps. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Can I start the next one?
Yes.
Next. Rule, make it a rule. That's what it says. This is the instruction you go to it. The best say that you have to read the requirements. Whichever subject you are writing, whichever exam you are writing, the moment you read the requirements, some idea will be developed in our mind that yes, we have to approach like this. Assuming that Poppy claims loss, understand, means definitely you are expecting some loss while doing the calculations. Fine. Against her total income for the year 2022-23, calculate the taxable income. Means there is some loss will be there in the calculation. Now you will be very comfortable that yes, when the moment you start doing calculations, if you get the loss, You will not get panic that yes, it is because it has been given us some indication regarding the loss. Fine. Next, calculate the taxable income for this tax year. Explain how income tax liability in respect of our taxable benefits for the tax year have been collected in any forms containing detail of these benefits will have been reported to HMRC. Any form containing details, any benefits has been there with respect to the taxable income, then it has to be reported to HMRC. Advise copy of the interest and penalties. This is this they will ask, okay? This they will ask. In every other question paper it will be there, okay? Penalty that will be charged by HMRC as a consequence of not making the payment for the year until 31st August 2023. There are three questions are there. One is you are talking about the total taxable income. Second thing we are talking about what are the how it has to be reported to HMRC. Third one we are talking in terms of the penalties. Now come to the question as such. Is it? This relates to three requirements. Poppy is employed by June PLC and she is also a member of a partnership. Fine. There is an employment income is there. Is it right? They have paid a gross salary of 65,000 during the year. The Jing provided a diesel car. Fine. Okay. By the time you will do 4 or 5 questions, automatically it will be on your fingertips. Okay. Fine. They are talking about the diesel car. How much is there? For diesel car, there is a rules are changing. Okay, that's all. Throughout the year, tax year, they are provided with 2 mobile phones. Okay, each costing 480. It can only one is to have the tax benefit. Okay, we cannot have we cannot have 2 phones to get tax benefit. All the taxable benefits provided by June PLC to be payroll means all it is going to be added to the salary component. Regarding the partnership, Poppy has been in partnership with Rose and T since fine, but TCL resigned. Here you have 3 partners. Is it right? Here now what happens? From here onwards, you have only 2 partners. Resigned as a partner on 6/12 to 6 July 2022. The partners have always shared profits equally. For the year ended 5th April, the partnership has a tax adjusted loss of how much? 19,500. In the capital account. The only item of plant and machinery owned by the partnership is the car with carbon emission of 990 grams. The car is used by Poppy and 70% of the mileage used for private journeys. Means we have to take only how much? 30% only. The written down value of the car is 8,400. The car is sold for how much? 5,400. Okay, they have government bonds. On 4th January 20, Poppy purchased 50,000 guilds. What is the value? 40,000. The gifts paid interest is rate of 3%. The interest paid half yearly on the nominal value. Poppy sold the gifts on 31st March. For how much? 50,300. We will see that. Poppy filed self-assessment tax return but did not make a balancing payment. Here we are talking in terms of fines. Until 31st August, she is not required to make any payments on account. Means they have not paid the self-assessment, but did not make a balance payment of how much? 2,600. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
Right. First, what we have to do, we have to calculate the taxable income for the thing. And they have a trading loss. How much is the trading loss? Trading loss is how much? 19,500. Okay. Trading loss is 19,500. That much. Again, we have to take the trading loss. We have to divide the trading loss. Okay, for first 3 months, and how much when they have. 1 minute. First, Poppy has in partnership with Rose since 6th April. Resigned partner on 6th July. Means April, May, June. Okay, 3 months. Means you have to make it a point. This has to be 3 months. Is it right? This has to be 3 months, and this has to be 9 months. And again, this is what 3 months. 3 months with 3 partners. Okay, 3 months with 3 partners, and 9 months with 2 partners.
Okay.
Fine. Slowly take one by one. Okay, don't rush. Nothing will happen. Now, how much is the salary they are getting? They are getting a salary of how much? Salary of
65,000.
65,000. Okay. Now, second one. This is little bit tricky. Okay. This is little bit tricky. During the period 1st August to 5th April, they have provided diesel car 21,500. The car is costing 2,600. Official carbon emission 75. The car does not meet the RDE2 requirements. Not provided with any fuel for private use. Fine. Now, how much is there? See the thing. If you take the diesel car benefits, okay, diesel car benefits. Now, if you take the diesel car benefit, 55 grams. Is that 55 grams? Okay, 55 grams. You have how much? 16%. Is that 55 grams? You have a 16%. And beyond that, is it right? Beyond that, you have to calculate additionally. 16 plus. Is that 1% for every 5 grams? Okay. Yeah, I will write here with another with this one. Okay, so that it will be easy for you. Is it what I will mention? Car benefit. See, this is diesel one. There is a, when you are talking about a diesel car, you have to be very specific. Okay, when it is not going to be, even petrol car, if it is not within the range of the standards. Fine. Now, standard percentage is how much? Standard, I will write here. I will write here standard percentage. standard percentage is 16. Okay, plus for every 5 grams you have to add 1%. Okay, for every
Yeah.
5 grams you have to add 1%. Standard percentage is 16. Is it? Standard percentage is 16 for 1% for additional 5 grams. Is it 75? 75 minus 55, it comes to 20, and divided by 5, it comes to how much? 4%. Are you clear about this?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Fine. Next.
And then we multiply this percentage, Salabi.
Yeah, 1 minute, I'm doing. Okay, now. $25 minus 55 by 5. Therefore, one additional percentage for additional 5 grams plus. Is that how much it comes to? It comes to 20%. Is that 20? Now, what we have to take? We have to take the difference. How much is the difference? Difference is 75 minus 55. Is it right? 75 minus 55 divided by 5. It comes to 20 by 5. It comes to 4. See the things. Here it is the way it is. We have to be very cautious on that. How much is the car benefit? Diesel you are taking into consideration 16%. For one additional it will be 4%. It comes to how much? 20%. This is what we have to put it separately. What is the value of the car they have mentioned? Value of the car is how much? The list price is how much? The list price is 21,800. Cost is fine, 23,600. List price is how much? List price is 21,800. Okay, 21,800. 20% plus 4%. Is that this 20% is this one? This 4% is this one. Is that time? How much you will get? 21,800 into 24%.
Mr. Labib, again, I did not understand the highlighted one in yellow. Why we do 20, then again 4%? Why we need the 4%?
You see the rules, okay?
Yeah.
In the rules, it has been given 55 grams per kilometer is how much? 16%.
Yeah, that's standard one.
That is the standard one. Okay. Now, Here it is not mentioned. See, are you clear about this one? 1 minute. Are you clear about this one?
Which one, sir?
This one.
Yeah, this is clear.
Okay. For 1% for additional 5 grams. How much you get? Okay.
Perfect, yeah.
Now,
So that's the-
for if we are not working on, if it is not working on the basic requirements, then if that is the case, we have to take, here it is not mentioned here, but if you see the text now, they have mentioned that for the whatever the difference is there, difference should be taken into consideration with respect to the relevant percentage, and proportionately it has to be added for the we have to add it with respect to the total percentage related to the benefit. Is it clear to you?
Still not clear
Still
why
not
we
clear.
use
Okay,
the
fine.
four.
Just give me time. I will explain you with another way, very well
Okay.
defined. Okay, just give me time. Okay, the moment you will get another question, it will be more clear for us. Okay, how much is there? It comes to how much? It comes to
Is it?
21,800 times 24%.
It's 5,232.
5,232. And for how many months?
For how many months? I don't know how many months should it be?
They have provided during the period 31st to August to 8th April, 1st April.
8 months, no?
8 months.
So multiplied by 8 by 12.
Yes.
It's 3,488.
3,400. Okay. Next.
Yeah.
Just give me, with the moment we do more practice, automatically things will come and it will have more. Throughout the tax year, they have provided with PAYE with 2 mobile phones at each cost, which when purchased for the see, they have provided 2 mobile phones. That if any benefits has been provided, it has to be charged at the rate of 20%. I will give you a reference for that.
Okay.
I will give you the reference for that. Okay, I will give you a reference for that. Okay, don't worry about that. I will give you a reference how it is going to be charged. But if any benefits has been given, it has to be charged at the rate of how much? It has to be charged at the rate of you have to get the taxable benefit at the rate of 20% only on one. It's not on two. Okay, it's not on two. How much is there? What they have mentioned? They have charging about 2 mobile phones. Is it at the rate of how much? 480. Yes, tell
Sorry,
me.
sir. Why it's only for
Huh?
not for? Why would they charge only for one?
Yeah, you will get an exemption only for one.
Okay.
They will charge. They
okay,
will
got
charge
it.
on. They will have a tax benefit only for one. Is that? They will have a tax benefit. They will not. You will not get the. It will only one will be taxable. Okay, only one will be taxable. You are if they give
That's
you.
all. That Is
Pardon?
it always like this?
Yes, always like
It
this.
will all.
No, it is there in the
Okay.
text.
Okay.
It is there in the text. It's only one. See, one is enough. If it is two or three, it doesn't make any
Yeah.
okay. Mobile,
Okay.
mobile phone. Okay, mobile phone. How much is there? 480 times 20%. It comes to how much? 48, 48, 96.
Yeah.
How much? 48, 48 or how much? 9.
Yeah. 96.
How much is the total you will get?
The total would be 68,584.
68,
584.
580.
It's 96 plus 3, 488 plus the 65,000, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, okay, what we have done is we have done we have done with respect to these things. Second, next one, we will take the loss separately. Okay, we'll take the loss
Okay.
separately. Partnership is this one. This okay. They have purchased on Janfer, purchased 50,000 guilds with a nominal value of 40,000. These have an interest rate of how much? 3%. Paid half yearly, June 30th and 31st, based on the nominal value. Fine. How much is the income they are getting? See the things. This is January 1st. Is it right? January 1st, January, February, March. The year starts on 6th April. Is it right? It is for how many
Yeah.
months? 3
3
months.
months.
Is it right? How many months? 3 months. What is the
Yeah.
nominal value? 40,000. What is the rate of interest?
3%.
3%. Is it right? Add,
Yeah.
add savings income. Okay, understanding my point? Add
Yeah.
save. This is related to this. Is it 40,000 times 3 by 100 times 3 by 12.
It's 300.
Fine. How much you'll
Yeah.
get? 68,884. Fine. You can put it as gross. Okay. You can write it as a gross taxable income. Okay. Next.
Why gross, Mr. Levy?
We have to deduct loss now. We
So
have
it
loss
has
now.
this one.
We have
Yeah.
the loss in the partnership. Okay.
Okay.
Loss,
Okay.
loss relief, relief from partnership income. Okay.
Yeah.
Little bit careful. Okay. Little bit careful about this also. Okay. How much is the loss? Trading loss is how much? Trading loss is how much? Trading loss is 19,500. Okay. Next.
Yeah.
They have trading loss is 19,500. Fine. The only item of plant and machinery owned by the missionary is the car. 90. The car used by Poppy 70/30. Mileage was the return down value of the car is how much? 8,400. How much they are using? They are using only 30%. Okay? They are using how much? 30%. Fine?
Yeah.
They are using only 30%. You have to add, is it right? You have to take all the total loss you have to take, is it right? You have to take the total. Now, how much is the allowance? Allowance is how much? See the things. Uh, um, uh, where is that? Yes. The return down value is how much? The return down value is 8,400. Okay, the return down value is 8,400. The book value is how much? The car was sold. Okay, see the return down value is 8,400 and the car was sold on 31st July for how much? 5,400. Okay, 5,400. 1 minute. Sale value of car, how much? 5,400. Okay, 5,400. Return down value is how much? 8,400. Is it right? 8,400. Again there has a loss, is it right? They have sold the car. In the car also they got loss. Is it right? How much loss they got? They got the loss of how much? 3,000. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In 3,000, how much they have to take? They have to take 30%.
It's 900.
It's 900. Total loss is how much?
So we add with the 68?
No. So I'm not adding that. How much is the total loss? 19,500 plus 900.
Oh, 19,500. I didn't know. Okay. 19,500 plus how much?
900. 400.
That's
2,400.
2,400.
20,400.
400. Sorry. I got confused.
No problem.
It's 900.
Revised trading loss. Okay?
Okay.
Now,
This is revised trading loss. Okay.
revised trading loss. Now, in this revised trading loss, okay, in this revised trading loss, we have to take the share of, what is the share of, what is the share of, who is that? The Poppy, okay? What is the share of Poppy? For 3 months, is it right? For 3 months. 1 minute. I will. Okay.
For 3 months would be 30%, you said?
No.
What is it? I didn't get this one.
Sabar. See the thing. I will put like this first, okay? So, yeah,
Okay.
I will remove after this, okay? 2,400 is the loss, is it right? 2,400 is the loss. For this is for how many months?
3 months.
3 months.
5,100.
And what is his share for 3 months? How many partners are there? 3 partners are there.
Oh yeah, 3 partners.
3
1 by
partners.
3.
Means his share will be how much?
It's 1,700.
Exactly. Understand this. 2400 times 9 by 12. Okay. How many partners are there?
2.
1 by 2.
So that is 2,400 times 7,650.
7,650.
Yeah.
How much is the total?
It's 9,350.
You got it? Understood this?
Yeah, clear.
Is it right? See, this you have to be very, very careful. Is it right? This is very, very careful. Now, how much is there? This is the share of loss. Got what I mean? This is when you are getting loss, you will get relief. Is it right? We have
Yeah.
to take this number. Is it right? We have to take this number and you have to lodge as loss relief. In the loss relief, how much is there? 9,350.
150.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now, how much you'll get?
It's 59,534.
59,000.
534. 59,534. Yeah.
Is it right? From
Yeah.
here, now we have to deduct. What we have to deduct? Personal allowance.
Okay. Clear.
How much is the personal allowance?
12,570.
Huh?
12,570.
12,570.
It's
12.
46,000.
How much?
46,964.
46,960. This is taxable.
Mr. Labib, in this case, if he is an additional rate taxpayer, do we have to mention personal allowance as 0?
Pardon?
If the taxpayer is an additional taxpayer do we have to mention the personal allowance as 0? In this, he's a basic rate, no?
Yes.
So we deducted the personal allowance. What about if he's an additional rate taxpayer?
Wait. We will do that problem also. It is there. Okay. We will do that problem also. If you are having different rates, is it right? From 1 to 3,000, 37,000, we will have that stages also. Okay. In that case, how we have to calculate separately for each case, I will explain you.
Okay.
Okay. Are you clear about this?
Yeah, clear so far.
Next. This is what? This is for how many marks? This is for 10 marks.
10 marks.
Again, I will just go through it. Okay. Again, I will just go through it. First, we have taken the salary. Then we have taken the car benefit. We have taken the mobile phone. We have taken the savings income for 3 months. We have taken into consideration the loss, share of loss. We got then we have deducted the personal allowance, and on that basis we have taken the taxable income. Next. Explain how POP's tax liability or tax benefits in the year will have been collected. is it? When we are talking about, see the things, when it, see, taxable benefits, taxable benefit, this is for which one? This is for this one. See, taxable benefits, fine.
Yeah.
The rule says now I see this is the in the previous years, in initial years, it is not that much has been given importance to this, but nowadays what happens, people are changing the jobs uh, very frequently, and in some cases people have the gap between one job and another job. Is it? People have the gap between one, we will have 2 months gap, 1 month gap, 3 months gap. If that is the case, the taxable benefits related to income, is that the taxable will become under which category? It will become under payee. Is that with salary, if it is there, means now what happening, they are giving more importance to what? They are giving more importance to pay as you earn. In examination there will be 1 point related to this. Just revise the theoretical concepts, the importance of payee with respect to assessments. You have, see, now you can see how you have a form, which one is there? You have a P45, is it right? There is one form called as
Yeah.
P45. There is another form called, you have P11D. You heard about this?
No. P11C, I don't know. Just P45.
This is a document, is it right? I'm writing here for you. Yeah, used by you, used
Yeah.
by employer. Is it used
Document
by
used by
employer?
employer.
Any benefits given to employee. Okay, this is the form which has been used, is it? But a document used by the employer, any benefit given to directors, employees, managers, any level of management, anyway, is it? That is the P11D. The document used by the employer for any benefits given to the employee. Is it? This is where we are. That's what we are detailed. Say if any forms, they are mentioned very clearly. Is it right? Any forms containing details of these benefits. Is there any forms containing the detail of these benefits? Is which form? The P11D.
Clear.
Fine. Next.
Yeah.
Coming to this, the third one. Okay, the third one. What they have mentioned, they say that the penalties of HM revenue as a not making the balance payment. Just go through the balance payment for tax year. Poppy filed self-assessment for the filing date and 2000 until 31st August 2023. Is that she is not required to make any payments on account. Fine. When they have started, see, when they have made an investment, they made an investment on 1st January. Is it right? They made an investment on 1st January and it is there till 31st August. How much is the penalty is there? You have the rates with respect to the penalties.
Yeah, let me check it. It's 2 point something, or it has changed. Rate of interest, official rate of interest. Is it the one underpaid or overpaid mentioned?
Where it is?
Is it as the rates of interest, underpaid or overpaid? One of them?
On which page?
The page that has national insurance contributions, rates, and allowance.
Yes.
The official, yeah?
Yes. Rate of interest on underpaid tax is how much?
It's 3.25%.
3.25%.
This one has changed from the previous year, right? I think it was 2.6 such thing.
No, this is the current one. Now I cross check with that ebook also.
Previous year. Okay, so we use the underpaid.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
And another catch is there. Another one is there. Okay. Now, fine. One is it right? If it is 1 month late, is it right? 1 month late.
Yeah.
Is it right? One penalty. Is it right? One penalty. When it is 6 months late, it is the second penalty. You know about this?
No, I'm a bit confused in this.
Yeah, I'm putting one star mark here, okay?
Okay.
I'm putting one star mark and I'm putting some purple color. Wherever purple color is there, be very specific, okay? Little bit cautious.
Okay.
Okay, exceptional cases, I will use purple color, okay? Exceptional cases.
Okay.
Is right? Now.
Yeah.
Interest from, see, they will not, see, interest will be due after 1 month, is it right? Interest will not be charged from the January 1st. Interest will be charged from 31st January, is it right? 31st January, till which date they say it is 31st August. Is it right? How many months are there? 8 months. February, March, April, May, June, July, August. 7 months. Is it right?
Yeah.
7 months.
Yeah.
7 months, sorry.
Yeah.
It will be for 7 months. How much is there? How much is there? What is the interest they are getting? 2,600. Is it right? 2,600 times, what is the percentage? 3.25%. Is it right? Underpaid. Underpaid. Okay?
Yeah.
Rate of interest on underpaid tax. I'm writing here. Rate of interest on underpaid tax.
Why 2,600, Mr. Levy?
Here it is there given now.
And the oh yeah, okay. The balancing payment.
Yes.
Okay.
In times 7 by 12. It comes to how much?
It's 49.
49.
Is it? Or maybe 49.
Okay.
I will calculate again. 2,600 multiplied by 3.25%. Divided by 7. Yeah, 49.
What is the penalty amount? You know this? At the rate
No.
of 5%. Okay? At the rate of 5%. 2,600. It comes to how much?
It's 130.
130 and 130. Don't do any additions. Only you have to show like that. Okay? You should not do anything like that. Don't add. Don't do anything. Okay? Show it separately. Otherwise,
Why?
if we are not, see what they say. They are asking what the advice copy of the interest and penalties that will be charged by HMRC as a consequence of not paying the payments. This is the amount charged. So that's all. Don't do any. Don't add all the things. Okay.
But I don't understand why we use 5% here.
See, if it is 1 month late, it is right. If you are where it is that 1 minute. If it is, this is the this is the penalty. This is the penalty for paying late. Okay, this is the penalty amount, and this is the penalty on the interest. See, there are two things are there. Divide it. Okay, one thing is. There are two things are there. The first one is you are charging on the interest. You earn the interest. Okay, you earn the interest and you have not paid. If you have earned the interest and you have not paid, you have underpaid tax. Is that? This is the interest with respect to what? This is the penalty for underpaid tax. How much is the 3.25%. Okay, this is the penalty for underpayment of tax. Whereas this is the penalty for late payment.
Okay, clear.
Okay, this is the penalty for what? This is the penalty for late payment. This is the penalty for underpayment.
But okay, 1 minute, Mr. Ravid. I'll check this. We should use one of the rates mentioned here.
Yes.
For late
payment.
Still the 5% I don't understand.
Wait. Whichever things you have doubts now. You write down the thing. By that time, every class, some doubts will be clarified, some new doubts will come.
Okay.
Okay, some doubts will be clarified. The moment every session, you will have more clarity. Clarity will increase. Understanding will increase. is that these are first two problems we have done. Is it right? Some
Yeah.
whichever wherever you find doubts, just note down the things. Even I will remember that. The moment I am going to cover next session, I will say yes, we have covered this. There we have kept it pending. Now for that, this is the clarification.
Got it, inshallah.
Okay. So there will be some
Yeah.
doubts will be there. See, by the time we approach the examination, we do as many questions as possible. The more the doubts
Yeah.
will be clear.
Inshallah. Got it.
Got it?
So the more we practice, the more things we